The term Innovaner has been derived from the words innovation plus miner. A miner is a person who works in a mine. If this indicates a repository of resources like data, it is called data mining. In the domain of innovation, the mine indicates sources of ideas that entail countless thought processes. Hence, innovation miner translates into Innovaner, the person who carries a repository of countless creative thoughts for useful products or services.
Vision: bring innovation to understand humankind in better way. Mission: transform lives of individuals who are willing to thrive by bringing innovation. Goal: our goal is to integrate creative thinking throughout various aspects life, nurturing it as a natural attitude, not merely a procedure. Thought: creative thinking is initial phase of innovation. Getting ideas out of ideas is Innovaner's creative thinking framework.
Who are we? Dr. Kaushik Halder and Juma Halder, the Innovaners, have mastered the art of creative thinking and invention. With their renowned creative thinking framework and the best-selling book, Think Like an Innovaner, they continue to inspire and empower others to unlock their creative potential. Their exemplary achievements in research, authorship, and mentoring are a testament to the power of innovative thinking in shaping a successful future. Whether in personal or commercial operations, their work sets a standard for excellence and serves as an inspiration for aspiring innovators worldwide.
Why Innovaner? That sounds fascinating. As the first in India to provide a leadership course with a focus on honing leadership traits innovatively through design thinking at a personal level. By integrating design thinking principles, participants can gain a deeper understanding of themselves and cultivate an innovative mindset, ultimately leading to becoming a better version of themselves. In any case, blending leadership development with design thinking and promoting innovation as an attitude is likely to yield creative and effective leaders who can adapt to the ever-changing business landscape. Such an approach encourages individuals to think outside the box, take calculated risks, and embrace continuous improvement, making them better equipped leaders for the challenges of the future.
Why creative thinking or innovation are important. Innovaner's innovation is short-lived and the process is defined as stepping up the staircase. It's when a person wants to uplift or cares about the value to be produced, thinks differently, and the process adopted by not following traditional process or regular process, but rather thinking of taking the way by devoting energy and time to step up the staircase, which is the new process and termed as innovation to lift for new destiny. As the time for stepping up the staircase is temporary, the pain associated to it is also temporary.
Is Innovaner trustable? We neither provide any tested products or services. We are researchers, authors, and mentors, who are passionate about the process of creative thinking and would like to bring the same in different flavors to have an impact on individuals' lives who are willing to thrive by bringing innovation. We are the first in India as Innovaner to put an effort to bring innovation as a habit or to change the attitude towards the work one does by bringing creative process thinking. It's just a way to get best version of the work one does. Even though we have been researching for decades but tried to come up with contents, courses, and workshop for the first time. We trust our research work, process developed, and content, which will seldom love for opportunity.
Author of Amazon best-selling book on innovation in the category Home Care. Title of the book: Think Like an Innovaner.
It's a motivational book on innovation. The book inspires to practice innovation or out-of-box thinking or creative thinking in all dimensions.
Thanks. Kindly consider liking and subscribing to explore further about the creative thinking process. Let's stay connected and embark on a journey of learning together, contributing to a more improved and inspiring world.